Good morning, class. Welcome to Structural Steel Components. Today we're going to discuss the different components that we need to know to erect structural steel. There's many components obviously involved in building such a building as here is on this slide. We will see and talk about their differences, the different steel components, and some similar characteristics these steel members may have. Also, we're going to look at their applications of the steel components, along with some knowledge in blueprint reading. So we'll look a little bit at blueprint reading, but we're actually going to do a blueprint reading course later on in this year. So we'll just kind of touch on it for this component of our course. The practical, we will bring you to a shop setting. So we're going to go outside actually, where we're going to identify these steel components by characteristics, and we're going to look at the mark numbers that you're going to look at on the blueprint and match up with the steel itself. So this is going to be a great course to make you guys familiar and know the differences and be able to identify them.
So because we done our theory up in class, we're going to come down here today and figure out what a beam looks like. We've seen on the PowerPoint what it looks like. Now we're going to put it to practical use. We're going to go find the beams that's required from this blueprint that we're actually going to build inside that building. So if you all want to gather around me, I'm going to have you have a look at this blueprint. So when you're looking at a blueprint, you'll always see in construction north. Okay, so construction north for us is if we're inside that building and we're looking this way at the print. Okay, so north is coming out through those doors. The building that we're going to build is basically 4 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to have 2 floors. Okay, the 2 floors are identical, but there's a couple differences. If you see here, A3 is for the first floor, and C3 is for the second floor. So that's going to be one difference in the first floor and the second floor. And I believe that must be the only difference in the building for the first and second floor. So what I want you guys to see here is what columns do we need put up in there. Let's have a look and see what columns are required. So we need, if you look here guys, come closer. We need an A1, a B1, a B2, and an A2. So what's the difference of a column and a beam? How do we tell the difference of this end?
You connect the columns.
Right, so beams are going horizontal from column to column, right? And where's the columns going?
Vertical.
They're going vertical, so they're anchored in with anchor bolts, and they're standing vertical for us to connect our beams into, right? So the first one I'd like you guys to find is, we got 4 to look for. A2, our B2, our A1, and our B1. So we'll have a look over here in our yard and see if we can point those out. Let's have a look. I want you to be very careful now, guys. We've got a lot of trips. We just done our FLHA. What do we keep in mind when we're out here in the field? What kind of dangers do we have?
Tripping hazards.
Tripping hazards. What else? Pinch points. What about if you stand on the end of a beam and it's a slip off on your right and it's not nice and level under the dunnage? As we can see, there's dunnage everywhere. And a lot of mess. So where are our columns, Sue? I can see some right in front of me here now. Can someone point them out for me?